Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and it is spring here in Minnesota. So we are working on getting some houses decluttered and partially packed up and ready for the market. So one tip that I want to give is when you are prepping your house for sale, a great thing you can do is pre-pack. So what we do is we kind of work room by room, and you focus on those primary areas of the home that are really good sellers, your kitchens, your primary wardrobes, bathrooms, living spaces, open spaces, inviting spaces, and work through those rooms to sort and declutter. So a lot of times we want to keep it pretty minimal in regards to what's out for photos and showings. And so the rest of the items you can categorize and then go ahead and put them in a box, clearly label them for where you want them to go in the next house, and then put them away in a designated area. We typically pick a garage stall or a basement storage area somewhere out of the way. And that is so helpful because then once you actually do sell your house and you are in the packing process, you've already got a lot of your stuff organized and packed up and you are ready to roll. So that is my tip of the week for those of you that are working on selling your home. Declutter space by space and start your pre-pack, but also remember not to keep anything that you don't want to bring to the next house. So now's a great time to donate. All right, we'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.